Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn math for machine learning. We'll start by building a strong foundation in core mathematical areas. This journey will equip you with the essential tools needed to understand complex algorithms. Focus on conceptual understanding before diving into advanced topics. Practice regularly with problems to solidify your knowledge and apply what you learn. This structured approach ensures a comprehensive grasp of the subject. Once you have the basics, delve deeper into each area. Linear algebra is crucial for understanding how data is structured and manipulated in machine learning models. Multivariable calculus helps us optimize these models by finding minimums and maximums. Probability and statistics are vital for making sense of data, understanding uncertainty, and evaluating model performance. These three pillars form the mathematical backbone of machine learning. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And speaking of optimizing things, why not optimize your home cleaning? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is super pet-friendly, so you can focus on your math studies instead of chores. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Applying what you learn is key to true understanding. Use programming languages like Python with libraries such as NumPy to see these mathematical concepts in action. Actively solve problems from reputable textbooks and online courses. Don't just read. Try to implement basic machine learning algorithms yourself. This hands-on approach bridges the gap between theory and practical application, making the learning process much more effective.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.